Welcome to my YouTube channel where we embark on a transformative journey in the world of child nutrition. Today we dive into the top 10 evidence-based intervention for increasing fruit and vegetable consumption in children. These tiny thoughts hold the promise of our future, and the food choices we help them make today can shape the world of tomorrow. So let's embark on an inspiring and enlightening quest to nourish the minds and bodies of our little ones. 1. Education. Our first intervention is rooted in scientific understanding. Studies such as those published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association show that children who are educated about the nutritional benefit of fruits and vegetables are more likely to consume them. The vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in these foods are essential for growth and development. By understanding the science behind these nutrients, we can guide our children to make informed, intelligent choices that will set them on the path to a vibrant and healthy future. 2. Modeling. Imagine the magic that occurs when our actions speak louder than words. It is known that children are highly influenced by their caregivers. When parents and caregivers actively consume a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, they become living, breathing role models. These observations have been consistently proven and reproduced in peer-reviewed articles, including a recent study in the Appetite Journal. Our children watch or learn. Our choices inspire their choices. We hold the paintbrush to create a beautiful, nutritious canvas for their lives. 3. Make them fun. Our third intervention is a celebration of creativity and exploration backed by research. Studies such as those in the Journal of Nutrition, Education and Behavior show that children are more likely to enjoy and consume foods when they are presented in a playful, engaging manner. So let's turn meal preparation into an art form with colorful fruit salads and whimsical vegetable shapes. We make eating a fun journey of discovery for our little ones. 4. Consistent offering. A journey requires a well-trodden path, and evidence from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tells us that children develop a taste for foods through repeated exposure. By making fruits and vegetables a constant presence at meal and snack times, we create a comforting and predictable environment where these healthy choices become an integral part of their daily lives. 5. Variety. The world of fruits and vegetables is a vast treasure trove of flavors, textures, and nutrients. Scientifically, we know that offering a diverse array of these foods introduces children to a palette of taste, expanding their culinary horizons and maximizing their nutritional intake. The phytonutrients within each variety offer unique health benefits, making every bite a step towards a healthier future. 6. No pressure. Let's remove the pressure and allow the joy to flow freely, as highlighted in studies published in Appetite Journal. Researchers have illuminated the pitfalls of pressurizing children to eat specific foods. Instead, we create a sanctuary of choice and exploration. A relaxed and pressure-free mealtime atmosphere allows our children to develop a positive relationship with fruits and vegetables, leading to lifelong love and appreciation. 7. Reward and positive reinforcement. Our seventh intervention is the symphony of reward and positive reinforcement supported by scientific research. Still remember the Pavlovian hypothesis in positive reinforcement in dogs? However, details about this are not too important. But picture this. Say you recently purchased a puppy. Every time he or she engages in a positive behavior, for example, does wee outside, you reinforce the behavior with a treat. This encourages the positive behavior of the puppy repeatedly, so long as the reinforcement is kept in place. Well, a study in pediatrics has demonstrated that praise and rewards for trying new fruits and vegetables in our kids can spark enthusiasm and acceptance. By acknowledging and celebrating their efforts, we are crafting a lifelong love story with these nourishing foods. 8. Involve them in food preparation. Our 8th intervention is a hands-on approach to fostering a love for fruits and vegetables. Researchers that found in the Journal of Nutrition, Education and Behavior indicates that involving children in the preparation of meals increases their interest in and acceptance of a variety of foods. From washing fruit to chopping veggies, let's turn the kitchen into a playground where the joy of creating healthy meals becomes a shared experience. 9. Create a positive eating environment. Our ninth intervention emphasizes the importance of the dining atmosphere. This involves minimizing distractions, such as television, and fostering a relaxed, enjoyable mealtime setting. Studies in the International Journal of Behavioral Nutrition and Physical Activity suggest that creating a positive eating environment can influence a child's food choices. When mealtime becomes a pleasant experience, children are more likely to embrace the colorful world of fruits and vegetables. 10. Gardening experiences. Our final intervention involves connecting children directly with the source of their food through gardening experiences. Research abounds, including studies in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, which show that involving children in gardening activities increases their willingness to try fruits and vegetables. Planting seeds, nurturing plants, and harvesting the produce instills a sense of pride and curiosity, creating a powerful connection between children and the natural origin of their nourishment. As we wrap up this comprehensive exploration into nurturing healthy eating habits in our youngest generation, remember that each intervention is a brush stroke on the canvas of a vibrant and nourished future. By combining education, positive role modeling, creativity, and a supportive environment, we cultivate a lifelong love affair with fruits and vegetables in our children. If you have found inspiration and valuable insights in our quest to cultivate healthy habits in our little ones, then consider this your call to action. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for a continuous stream of evidence-based steps, engaging content, and expert reviews on health matters. Thank you for joining us on this quest to shape a healthier, happier future for the generations to come. May your households be filled with the joyous colors and flavors of wholesome nutrition.